The GPU-72 Banker Blaster is an advanced bunker buster bomb designed to destroy hardened underground enemy facilities, such as nuclear bunkers and command centers. Weighing around 2,200 kilograms, this bomb can penetrate up to 3 to 6 meters of reinforced concrete, steel, or rock before detonation. It is guided by a GPS-integrated inertial navigation system, INS, and laser guidance, allowing it to strike targets with sub-meter accuracy. A delayed fuse mechanism ensures the bomb explodes deep inside the target, maximizing damage while minimizing surface destruction. The GPU-72 has an operational range of 50 to 70 kilometers, depending on release altitude and speed. It can be deployed from modern aircraft like the F-15E Strike Eagle, F-35 Lightning II, or B-2 Spirit. Each GPU-72 bomb costs approximately $500,000 to $700,000 based on configuration and production. Silent, smart, and devastating, the GPU-72 is a precision weapon built for deep impact, giving air forces a powerful edge in modern warfare.